Now at 11, new video raising questions about the actions of a former deputy. How this earlier incident could help the case of a woman handcuffed for speeding by that same former deputy. And supporting local teachers. How Pro Football Hall of Famer Tony Baselli is giving back to his community.
Live at 11, Action News Jax starts right now.
New video released tonight of a former Bradford County deputy who just resigned after holding a Jacksonville mother at gunpoint. This time, the deputy handcuffed a bail bondsman. It's new information on the story we brought you last week. I'm Tanika Hughes.
I'm John Bachman. Action News Jax Nick Gibson is live with the follow-up. And Nick, this new incident involves someone getting turned into jail.
Yeah, that's correct. And also when it comes to that sheriff's office, that former deputy, he was just responding to a call of someone fighting inside of a car. New video of former Bradford County Sheriff Deputy Jacob Desue shows him pulling a bail bondsman out of a truck at a gas station in Bradford County.
Who are you?
Desue is the same deputy who handcuffed and held Ebony Washington, a Jacksonville mother, at gunpoint during a traffic stop. I spoke with Colonel Brad Smith with the Bradford County Sheriff's Office. He says this incident with the bail bondsman happened in January all over a suspect who was supposed to be booked in jail that night.
They were driving into the parking lot there at the Circle K, and all of a sudden one of the bail bondsmen ran in, jumped in the back of the car, and grabbed the son.
He says this caused Deputy Desue, who was first on the scene, to act quickly.
He went and grabbed the guy out of the back seat to stop him from choking the guy.
It turns out the man who Desue wrestled to the ground and cuffed was the bail bondsman, not the suspect. We've also learned Desue and the sheriff's office entered what's called a last chance agreement, essentially requiring Desue to behave properly on the job or risk losing it. But according to Smith, that agreement wasn't reached because of the January incident involving the bail bondsman, but a March episode when he said Desue didn't take orders from his superior.
Now we had the incident back in January where the behavior was inappropriate towards the public. Now he's showing this behavior towards his supervisor.
Desue's pattern of behavior, ending with his treatment of Ebony Washington, ultimately led to his resignation. We received a statement from Washington's attorney, John Phillips. He says, in part, instead of assisting with apprehension, former Deputy Desue tackled the bondsman and put a knee on his upper back or neck while the bad guy got away, much like in Ebony Washington's case. Now, Colonel Smith says that the Bradford County Sheriff's Office in any way doesn't condone the mistreatment of how Washington was mistreated in that situation by any means necessary. For local coverage you can count on, reporting from downtown Jacksonville, Nick Gibson, Action.